Hi, my name is Maurice, the Crochetmaster, and I would like to welcome you to our YouTube channel. This is Hair by Clippers, and remember we are located in Intinda, Minister's Village, sloping to Chambogo Road, that Chambogo Road, and then you just branch on Suna 2 Road. Today I have a guest, very beautiful guest of today. You can see how she looks even before I introduce her to you. Yes, still I introduced myself and I would like her to introduce yourself. Yes please, what's your name?
Adam, Princess of Uganda.
You're called, I cannot hear.
Adam, Princess of Uganda.
Wow, she's a princess of Uganda, if you didn't know that. So today we have something that is very, very special. As you can see, that she came here today and we decided to choose that hair for her, and it is called natural tangle. So I would like to ask her some few words so that you can hear what she's telling me. And by the way, when we're plaiting you this hair, did you feel pain?
No.
You didn't feel pain? So it means the hair was not painful. Okay. So and what else did you love when we were plaiting your hair?
I love this bead.
Okay. You love the beads?
Yeah, and the hair.
And the hair?
Yeah.
Wow. Is that hair having your head?
No.
It is not.
Yeah.
Okay. And why would you like it to leave it free, not holding it puff?
Because when I'm sleeping, I feel like
Oh, so you just want it when it is that free,
Yeah.
so that you can keep on playing around it.
Yeah.
Oh, so it means if someone tells you that we're going to hold it puff, you refuse.
Yeah.
You refuse. You want it to be like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So what if you had plaited it very long up to your legs? What would happen?
I'll start jumping.
You said jumping. Okay, yes. We are still chilling with our princess of Uganda. She's right here. What's your name once again?
Adam, Princess of Uganda.
That's right. Indeed. As I call myself Maurice, the Crochetmaster. So now, and how old are you?
6.
You're 6 years. Wow, you're 6 years. And I think what are the things that you're going to tell your friends? Because now this is Hair by Clippers. It's your first time to come here, right? And it's your first time to play it you.
Yeah.
Will you allow me to play it you next time?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Oh, you're not going to tell your mom to take you to another salon because you don't like hair?
No.
You have liked hair?
Yeah.
Oh, what have you made you to like hair?
You did my hair.
I've done your hair and it's nice. Okay, thank you so much. So those are the things that we always like to whenever we play to our kids, they be comfortable with the hair. And I decided to choose this material, the kink, because we all know that kink is always the best when it comes to these kids. It is very, very soft, and anytime they want to swim or to play around with this hair, it is always perfect for them. So I would like you also, if you have yours, please try to bring them, because it is always very, very hard for me sometimes, like plaiting kids. You know how it takes. So if you really do, if I can manage to do this with my whole team. On this one I plaited with Evelyn and Sharon. They're not here, but we managed to do a great job, as you can see, and the way she looks. So that's why I would always say that please endeavor to like, share, comment Hair by Clippers, and please, all these tutorials showing you on how to do this hairstyle, it is always on our YouTube channel, that is Hair by Clippers. Clippers with Z. Please don't get twisted. It's Clippers with Z. So go there, subscribe, like, comment, and share, so that we get to learn every day about these protective hairstyle. So what is that last word that you would like to tell these people who are watching you? What can you tell them? Okay, what can you tell those parents outside there about, what can you tell them? What should they do with their kids?
Bring them.
They should bring them the hair. Oh, to plait them their hair, not to cut their hair.
No.
No. Okay, So if mom tells you that she won't cut your hair, will you allow?
No.
You cannot.
Never.
That is never. You just said never because you love your hair. Right.
She can't do it.
She can't do it because she knows if she does it, you can cry.
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, that's how it is, and she doesn't want to cut her hair. Anyway, that's what she's trying to say. But now, this is what we had for you. Our guest of today, she's called, once again, because the name is very long for me, I wouldn't manage to get it, but please try to explain to me one by one, because for me all I remember is Princess of Uganda.
Myra Mwanga Adams.
Myra
Mwanga Adams.
Mwanga Adams.
Princess of Uganda.
Wow, Myra Mwanga Adams, Princess of Uganda. So what else do you want? For now, we're going to sign out, but please just go right now, do that. Click on the red button, ring the bell. I'll be giving you every day so that we keep on learning and watching all these videos of protective hairstyle for both adults and our kids. My name is Maurice, the Crochetmaster. I sign out. Bye bye. Can you talk?
Bye.
See you.